Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can configure WINRM, which is needed for WMI and OMI monitoring, and also for some FortiSIEM remediation actions. For OMI monitoring, Win services need to be running, and this video will show how you can enable it and configure it through group policy. So let's head on to our Windows server. And on the Windows server, just go to the group policy management, then click it. After that, we want to go to under this domain. This is our first domain. Then go to the domain. Then we have this Cybow point. Then go to your group policy. So under group policy, let's create new and just name it enable WIN enable WINRM. So click OK. Then double click this and edit. So under these edits, go to policy. So under policy, go to security system, Windows settings, security settings. Then under security settings, we'll add on to system services. And under this, we'll go to scroll down. So go to Windows Remote Management, double click it, click on Define and check Automatic, click OK. So go to Windows Defenders and select the inbound rule. Let's create new rule. Then we select the port and click Next. TCP allow port 5985. Then click Next. Next. Click Next. Then allow WINRM. Click Finish. So we have the policy for the inbound rule, and we have all this as well. Then we need to go to administrative template. Then Windows component. So scroll down and let's see Windows remote management. Then the Win client. Let's enlarge this. So the basic authentication, right click it, then disable and click OK. The unencrypted, double click disable, click OK. Disallow digests, authentication, click enable and click OK. Then trusted host, enable and put asterisk. Then on the Win service, double click it. They allow remote server management through. Let's click enabled, asterisk, and click OK. Allow basic authentication, disable, click OK. Then allow unencrypted traffic, disable, click OK. So let's go to domain controllers. Then right click, link GPO, link as an existing GPO. And let's click on this. I'll click OK. So click this. And let's enforce. So go to PowerShell. So GP updates. Okay. Then let's go to services. Scroll down. Look for Windows, remote, management, and properties. Disabled. Apply. Okay. How the gates. Then go to local machine and order the good software. Policy. Policies. Then the Microsoft. Then we have Windows. Then we have WinRM. Very okay. This has been configured. The asterisk for the IPv4 and 6. So go back to services and PowerShell. So WinRM quick config. Yes. Go to services. Let's see. So the next command we want to put in the PowerShell is win. WINRM, the WINRM, big, this line. Okay, so we have all this configuration with the listening ports and ID fully up and running. So let's do next start. Okay, and this is fully up. In the coming video, I'll show how you can add the Microsoft Active Directory to the FortiSIEM.